QGHOT is a mural that you hang on the wall, a backdrop. And we're going to open it up and show you one of the styles the company offers. There are many different styles to choose from. And what is it good for? Cover up the background of a wall, doing wallpaper work, chroma key, and more. If you're going to parties and places and you need to have a different type of background to hang up, this may be something that you are looking for in a library wallpaper. It's polyester. It has its art on one side, and the other side is one color. It's easy to hang up. It's 90 by 70 plus in inches. And we're going to open up the product. They give you clips to hang, and I'm going to show you how to go about. These are nails, 4 of them, that you take a hammer and tap to hook up. You're given one clip that goes on to the hook, and the other end snaps on to the drapery. You're given 3 hanging hooks. We will demonstrate with the one clip on one side, clip on, find a location to hang, and nail down the hook by hooking through, taking the hammer. When properly securing, you have your hook hung up. When all done, tack down the bottom as well. And you have your mural wallpaper backdrop hooked up. This is a bookshelf with different types of designs. If you need to iron out, you may do so. And if you need to wash the unit, it should be machine washable. This is your product of a backdrop of a library. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for in decorating your needs, thank you for viewing.